October, we launched Superhuman Go in beta. It's a powerful AI assistant that works everywhere that you work. I'm joined here by my colleague Bree, who's going to dive into what we're talking about more today. Bree, take it away.
So since launching Superhuman Go in the fall, we've seen great momentum with partners building on the platform. To date, partners have built 26 agents, and we have many more partners actively developing. Beyond the number, what's really exciting is the breadth of what our partners are building. From partners like Speechify, building an agent to turn content into an audio file, or HeyGen to create videos directly in Go. This has continued to expand the functionality and use cases we're able to support. So we're really enabling partners not just to integrate, but to show up directly where our customers are working so they can distribute their solution without needing to own every surface themselves.
That's amazing. Could you actually show us hands-on what one of those integrations looks like, one of those agents?
Yeah, absolutely. I'd love to. So let me just share my screen. So this is a typical template that I would outline in terms of some strategic objectives, market opportunity, joint value prop, and go-to-market plan. And so if I'm presenting on this, to cross-functional stakeholders internally or externally to our partners, I'd really like to turn this into more of a presentation format. And so when we talk about Go, this is it right here. So I can leverage it directly in the doc where I'm working so I can stay in my flow of work without having to switch tabs or copy paste any of this information into a presentation tool. And so I have all my favorite agents here. And so for this use case, I'm going to leverage Gamma, which Gamma is a visual creation tool. So I can ask it to create a slide deck for me. And it already knows that this is the doc that I'm referencing, that I'm looking out of. I don't have to be specific in terms of highlighting the different pieces that I want it to include. It'll read through the doc and it will send me an overview of the different content. So I'll go ahead and I'll approve that. And then what's really helpful is this allows me to really just complete this task all in one go. I don't have to add this to my to-do list. I can create my brief and then directly go in and create the presentation along with it so that I can elevate this to our internal internal stakeholders, and then also bring this to our partner in terms of ways that we can deepen our relationship together. So you can see the agent here is working. It's creating the deck on the back end. It's actually using our MCP. And then here is the completed deck right here that I can pull up. And as you can see, it's pulled all this information into the slide deck. It's created a nice format here, and I actually have the ability to make any edits. So if there's something else that I wanted switched or included or didn't like the format, I can quickly make those updates directly in the Gamma tool and then be ready to go for my next meeting.
Oh my gosh, that's amazing. How much time do you think that would have taken you to start from scratch in a slide deck?
Oh, it's so much longer. And with the amount of partners and agents that we have launching, I don't have time to be creating all these different presentations. So the Gamma agent has been just a huge time saver for me.
That's amazing. We love our friends at Gamma for helping us bring this to life because I know for myself it will save me ample amount of time. From all the conversations you've been having with partners like Gamma, can you share a little bit more about what they're most excited about building with us on the Superhuman Go platform that they weren't able to do before?
Yeah. So the biggest thing we hear from partners is around distribution and presence. So our partners have great products, but they're often combined to their own app or interface. And with Superhuman Go, they can bring their core capabilities where customers are already working. So instead of forcing users to pause, switch tools, and move data around, agents can understand on screen context and take action like I showed with Gamma. So at the same time, partners are also looking to really expand their reach. And with Grammarly's 40 million plus daily active users and Go's growing adoption, partners can plug into an engaged user base across a million plus applications and services where Go already works today. And so this allows their product to show up continuously and contextually, turning their product into an embedded and always available capability for customers.
Thanks, Bree, for showing us a little bit about Gamma. I know we have a few other partner agents that we've launched recently. One that I was really excited that we launched most recently was Box. Can you share a little bit more about what we launched with Box?
Yeah, absolutely. So, the Box agent, we are very excited to launch with their team. And this really brings your documents directly in line where you're working. So, helping you move past that manual search and looking for a file within, your cloud provider. And instead of digging through those different archives to check facts like shown here, the agent can compare the content on your page against your stored files and pull out the key differences for you.
That's great. I think, our customers that are leveraging all of these amazing tools and workflows can now really benefit from these agents such as Box. On the other side, we also have a few different communication type of partner agents. One that I know a lot of our viewers are probably excited about and have avidly followed for some time is Radical Candor, and Kim Scott's book, Radical Candor. Can you share a little bit more about what we launched with Radical Candor?
Yeah. So the radical candor agent, like you mentioned, it draws on Kim Scott's best-selling management philosophy to act as a real-time feedback coach. And we've all been in that spot where we have to give some tough feedback but aren't sure how to phrase it. And so this agent really acts like a real-time coach, helping you turn a blunt comment into something clear and actually productive right as you're typing.
It's like having basically Kim Scott right there on your shoulder, helping you through your workday. So, um, we have a large number of students and edu users that are leveraging Superhuman. One additional agent that we launched recently was Quizlet.
Yeah, I'm so glad you brought up the Quizlet agent. It's a really exciting use case that really supports students and educators. So the Quizlet agent is a huge time saver for them. It can take a page of dense notes or a study guide and instantly turn it into flashcards to help students study more effectively directly within the documents that they're working out of.
That's amazing. We're really just empowering those users to be, even more productive and assisting them with their daily work or homework. We're just helping them be more productive and empowered to do the best work that they can. Thank you, Bree, for sharing a little bit about the amazing partner agents that have launched thus far. Could you dive into what our audience can expect from our partner ecosystem in the coming weeks or months? I know you have a few good ones up your sleeve.
Yeah, absolutely. So we're actively building with some incredible partners right now, including HeyGen, Granola, and Canva. Customers can really expect a lot more exciting use cases that are coming soon.
That's amazing. And if we have partners out there that want to get in touch with us and start building on the platform, where do they find us?
Yeah, so we've linked our application in the description below, and partners can fill that out, and that will go directly to our team to reach out to them.
All right. Thank you, everyone, for tuning in. And thank you, Bree, again for providing the amazing overview of our partner ecosystem. Stay tuned for the next episode of Super Shipped and excited to see what we launch next.